Here at North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2007 Dyna Street Bob in color Black Cherry with a really nice custom paint job. The 96 cubic inch engine and a 6-speed transmission. Previous owner installed custom Dynamics LED turn signals as well as a brake light. Some custom pegs, a seat, and a Reinhardt exhaust. With 11,059 miles as of this moment, and let's listen to that exhaust. Sounds great. Fresh out of detail, fresh out of service. This custom bike is available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.